Hello everyone, myself Dr. Divyang Pandya, doctorate in mechanical engineering from Indian Institute of Technology, Roorkee. I am having more than 20 years of industrial and academic experience. At present, I am associated with the LDRP Institute of Technology and Research, Gandhinagar. This video, I would like to address the student who had recently passed out the higher secondary school examination. First of all, congratulations to them and especially their parents. Now the questions comes to at home, what is next? Which branch to be selected? What should be the trend after 4 years? Why not to select the super specialized branch? And why not mechanical? Why not mechanical? Because mechanical is the first or second choice amongst the society of engineers from more than last 100 years because of its continuous demands and diversity. Mechanical engineers can easily adopt it for the various applications and newly developed engineering knowledge. Recently, the industrial Internet of Things is adopted and promoted by the manufacturing units of the world. The next question is, what should be the trend after the 4 years? So I would like to inform you, all of you, that in COVID-19 pandemic conditions, the situation arises as an opportunity for the manufacturing and mechanical engineers. Why? Because all of us are aware that more than 1,000 production units had shown their willingness to shift from the China to rest of the world. And in that scenario, India is going to become the manufacturing hub of the world. Now, the another question students come to us, why not to select the super specialized branch? I would like to say here, first of all, go with the core mechanical engineering, then you understand, get mature enough, and then there are number of extension we are having from mechanical engineering on those who are performing very well. And those extensions like robotics and artificial intelligence, mechatronics, automobile, aeronautical engineering, marine engineering, railway engineering, production, manufacturing, fabrication, and lot more. So you can select later on. Last question generally asked by the student is regarding the abroad studies. Yes, you can go for the abroad studies after doing the mechanical engineering in any country of the world, and you can select any other branch of your interest for your higher educations. I hope I tried to respond to your number of queries, and I wish you a best of luck for your future endeavors. Thank you.